Is cryptocurrency still a good investment in 2024? Welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest trends in finance and investment. Today we are diving into a hot topic. Is cryptocurrency still a good investment in 2024? Let's find out. Introduction to cryptocurrency. The rise of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency has come a long way since the inception of Bitcoin in 2009. Over the past decade, we've seen the rise of thousands of digital currencies, each with unique value proposition. The rise of cryptocurrency. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the major cryptocurrencies have seen massive growth, capturing the attention of investors worldwide. But what about now? Is it still worth investing in 2024? Market trend in 2024. As of 2024, the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile. We've seen significant price swings, regulatory changes, and advancement in blockchain technologies. While some investors made fortunes, others have faced substantial losses. Price volatility and regulatory changes. One major factor to considering is the increasing regulations of cryptocurrency. Governments around the world are implementing new laws to protect the investor and prevent illegal activities. While this adds legitimacy to the market, it also introduces uncertainty. The pros of investing in cryptocurrency. Despite the volatility, there are several reasons why cryptocurrency can still be a good investment. High growth potential. First, the growth potential remains high. Cryptocurrency like Bitcoin have shown incredible return over the years, and emerging technology like decentralized finance (DeFi) and non-fungible token (NFTs) continue to drive diversification. Second, cryptocurrency can be an excellent addition to diversified investment portfolio. It provides an alternative to traditional assets like stocks and bonds, helps to spread risks. Accessibility. Lastly, cryptocurrency is highly accessible. With just an internet connection, anyone can start investing. This democratizes finance and offers opportunities to individuals worldwide. The cons of investing. However, there are also significantly risks associated with cryptocurrency investment. High volatility. The most obvious is high volatility. Prices can fluctuate in a short period, leading to losses. Regulatory risk. Regulatory risk are also a concern. Changes in government policies can have a profound impact on the market, sometimes overnight. Security risk. Finally, security risks. Despite advances in technology, cryptocurrency exchange and wallets are still vulnerable to hacking and fraud. Conclusion. So is still cryptocurrency a good investment in 2024? The answer depends on your risk tolerance, investment strategy, and ability to stay informed about market development. Stay informed and diversify. It is essential to do through research. And consider diversifying your portfolio to mitigate risk. Remember, while the potential for high return exists, so do the risk. Subscribe for more financial videos. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insight on financial and investment. Also, let us know in the comments. Do you think cryptocurrency is still a good investment in 2024? We had love to hear your thoughts.